Hi. The subject is Object Oriented Programming and the topic is JavaFX Layout Plans. After constructing all the required nodes in a scene, we will generally arrange them in order. This arrangement of the components within the container is called the layout of the container. We can also say that we followed a layout as it includes placing all the components at a particular position within the container. JavaFX provides several predefined layouts such as HBox, VBox, border pan, stack pan, text flow, anchor pan, title pan, grid pan, flowchart panel, etc. So each of the above mentioned layout is represented by a class, and all these classes belongs to the package called JavaFX layout. The class name pan is a base class of all the layouts in JavaFX. So now we can see how to create a layout. For creating a layout, you need the following things. First, create a node. Second, instantiate the respective class of the required layout. Then, set the properties of the layout. Then, add all the created nodes to the single layout. So, we can see how to create nodes. First of all, create the required nodes of the JavaFX application by instantiating their respective classes. For example, if you want to have a text field and two buttons, namely play and stop in a horizontal box layout, that is HBox layout, you will have to initially create those nodes as shown in the following code block. For creating a text field, the code is text field equal to new text field. For creating the play button, the code is play button equal to new button, and its name is displayed as play. We can give that play inside the double quotes. Creating the stop button, so stop button equal to new button, and we can give the name inside the quotes as stop. So now we have created one text field, one button, and one stop button. Instantiating the respective class. After creating the nodes, that means completing all the operations on them, instantiate the class of the required layout. For example, if you want to create a HBox layout, you need to instantiate this class as follows: HBox equal to new HBox of. This is how we are instantiating the HBox. Setting the properties of the layout. After instantiating the class, you need to set the properties of the layout using their respective setter methods. For example, if you want to set space between the created nodes in the HBox layout, then you need to set value to the property name spacing. This can be done by using the setter method, that is set spacing, as shown below. So HBox dot set spacing, and the space is set as 10. So 10 is the value for set spacing. Adding the shape object to the group. So finally you need to add the object of the shape to the group by passing it as a parameter of the constructor as shown below. Creating the group object. Group root equal to new group line. So in this box, in this table, the shape and description are given. So HBox means horizontal box. The HBox layout arranges all the nodes in our application in a single horizontal row. And VBox layout arranges all the nodes in our application in a single vertical column. And third one is border pan. Border pan layout arranges the nodes in our application in top, left, right, bottom, and center positions. Then stack pan. The stack pan layout arranges the nodes in an application on the top of another, just like in stack. The node added first is placed at the bottom of the stack and the next node is placed at the top of it. Then text flow. The text flow layout arranges multiple text nodes in a single flow. And anchor pan. The anchor pan layout anchors the nodes in an application at the particular distance from the pan. Then title pan. The title pan layout adds all the nodes in an application in the form of untitled types. The class name tilepan of the package javafx.scene.layout represents the tilepan layout. Then flowpan. The flowpan layout wraps all the nodes in a flow. The horizontal flowpan wraps the elements of the pan at its height, while a vertical flowpan wraps the elements at its width. Thank you.